Download the app and earn $700 a day. If you are already making money online, I fully understand that you don't want to stop. After all, working from home is very convenient. You can stay in your own home and use all the devices you are familiar with. Of course, you can always take a break and do what you want. The best thing about making money online is that you usually get paid based on what you've achieved, rather than that boring wasted time. Speaking of the online world of making money, I just discovered a very modest technique for making money online, and I think little is known, so I immediately digged in and tried it myself. It's really great, and I'm excited to talk about it. You rarely come across money tactics with so many possibilities and powers, but this method here is one of the best, if not the best. So watch this video to the end to learn this brand new secret strategy. Let's get back to the video. As I told you, I feel very fortunate that you came across this video. You are looking for a real treat. This method has several advantages, except for the fact that you can earn $700 a day and everything is done entirely online. You don't even have to spend a penny. Well, you don't have to invest or pay to make this happen. All you need is a device, and that device. This method always works regardless of the device you are using, so you have the full flexibility to use only your computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Not only that, but because it is widely used in all countries, it is aimed at everyone in the world. It doesn't matter where you come from, as everything works. In addition to all these amazing benefits, you don't even need any prior work experience or technical knowledge to use this strategy. Everything is tuned and designed to best suit beginners like you who are just starting out in the field of making money. To get this method, just watch this video for the last second. Of course, we already know that we don't have to keep avoiding losing important information that helps this method. Go directly to the first website, brave.com, without any hassle. This website will be breathtaking due to its overwhelming ability to effectively generate cash streams online. Brave works the same as Google because it always uses Google as its primary browser. With pride and honor, we declare our website to be 3 times faster than Chrome. As they claim on their website, they offer better protection from Google and big tech, so what's so special about Brave and why it's one of the best browsers in the world? Is it a connection? You can find everything you need to know here on the main website with these highly effective and interesting features with the highest security. They claim that they can stop tracking online to block all spooky ads that could break into your browser. In addition, online privacy mode is so easy to use that you can turn it on with just one click and it will do all the work for you. What's more, this software is extremely accessible, provides ultimate ease of use, and guarantees a great experience. And where are all of these innovative features Brave offers, where we can make money? This is because you already make a lot of money just by browsing online and checking out your favorite creators. Now all you have to do is return to your account information and the money will start pouring straight into your pocket. The last thing you need to know about the Brave is that it's also accessible from your mobile device. This means you can make even more money on the go because it's easily accessible from your smartphone. Whether you're using an Android or iOS smartphone, everything works fine, so there's no difference. Available in both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store, so you can use any device you like. Before elaborating, subscribe to the channel, and if you've enjoyed the video before, please rate it. And if you find this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Going back to the video, the second website I would like to focus on in this video is joinupvoice.com. You can instantly see what this platform is in one voice and start earning gift cards just by accessing the social media platform on your PC. Come to think of it, it's absolutely perfect because it just checks the social media platform. This is one of the most basic and everyday things you can do on your computer. You already spend a lot of time online a day, so it's incredible to get paid for it. Scroll down to this section for more information on how this works. This section contains all the information you need to continue using this platform. The first step is to install the software after logging in. Please note that it is completely safe and easy to use just by installing the UpVoice browser extension. The second step is to browse and access supported social media programs that you already love and use on a regular basis. Finally, step 3 is to capture ASDA anonymously and easily earn while browsing with Voice that provides daily points that can be redeemed for gift cards. Did you know that the gift cards that come with the are very rich and have a complete list? That is cake icing. Amazon Prepaid Visa, or just a few of the most popular gift cards such as MasterCard, PayPal, Burger King, Banana Republic and eBay. Continue exploring the site for additional information to better understand this platform. The site still has many sections, so feel free to browse through them all and fill in the information gaps in your system. For me, all I have to do is go through the original idea and go through the registration process. This blue button says Sign in the middle of the page. Click this to go to this page where you can officially sign up for a free account. Just choosing to continue with Google, Microsoft, or Yahoo will make your life much easier and the sign-up process will be quicker. When you're done with you have to manipulate it, take the lead, and become one of UpVoice success stories. With Brave and UpVoice at hand, today's videoqme.com third and final website is ready. So I think this is the easiest, so I left this at the end. As you can see here, all you have to do is share your thoughts on the brand, shop and earn real cash rewards as well as stolen goods and pointless points. All you have to do is share what you think about your brand by voting anytime, anywhere. If you do this, you will be well paid and you will see your income increase daily. Then use PayPal to collect money. This is because PayPal is probably the easiest way to claim your income. So how do you do this properly in? It can be summarized in 3 simple steps. First, you can investigate where the company wants your opinion and pay you to do so. Second, you can earn cash back with great products and have some extra cash in your wallet at the end of the month. And finally, find the biggest brand deals or just show what you like. Consider this, despite the total number of reviews approaching 3,000, QME is very proud of its excellent Trustpilot rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. This 4.5 rating is not downplayed, but if you really want to make a lot of money and make money quickly and easily, we highly recommend that you consider all 3 strategies. And that's it. If you like this kind of similar content, check out the other videos. If you like it, press the like button to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment below. See you in the next video.